In this video, I will show you how to add effects to text in Canva. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Select the text that you would like to add an effect to. You will then see a row appear on the top. Simply select Effects. You will then see a number of different options that you can choose from. So for this specific text, I would like to add an outline. You can then choose the color of your outline. So I'm going to go for a color that pops like red. You can then select the thickness of your outline. You can do this for all the other text in your picture, or you can put different styles to different texts. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.